Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to record and use macros in Google Sheet. So first go to the extension menu, select macros and click record macros. Perform the step you want the macros to repeat, like formatting cells and entering data. Once done, click Save. Assign a name to your macros. And decide if you want it recorded as a absolute or relative reference. To use the macros, go back the extension, macros and select the automatically. And select your save macros. Watch your task completed automatically. That's it. Macros simplify your workflow and save time. Try it now. Thanks for watching.